In this video, I'll show you how to blur something in CapCut PC. First, start by dragging your clip onto the timeline. Then right-clicking the video and pressing copy. Go to the right side, click right-click, and go on paste. Now, if you want to blur the background, select the top clip, go to remove background and click on auto removal. Drag the clip to the right, and you can see that the background has been removed. Select the bottom clip, go to the Effects tab, and drag the blur onto the video. You can see the background has been removed. Now, if you want to blur a certain object, click on the effect and delete it, go to the top clip, and uncheck auto removal. Now select the bottom clip and put in the blur effect. Now select the top clip, go to mask, click on add mask, rectangle, and click on this reverse button. Now you can drag it around and put it anywhere you want something blurred. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.